if you guys don't mind, you may have to keep your cars there for another 1.5 hours. Okay, for as long as you want, and if any of you have emergencies and all that, you can leave, and everybody else who wants to enjoy the wedding aspects of the venue. And mind you, we had questions about whether it is a wedding event and who's getting married and all that. It's nothing like that. It's a wedding organization group that has brought everything together and have asked us also to join. And they have a lot of stalls inside in relation to food, flower decorations, all the items, and marriage related items, so the ladies can go in and, have a time of their life over there. I'm sure the ladies will be very irritated, why we came with our husbands for this, we don't like the cars, we like our husbands, and, our husbands look after their cars better than they look after us. I know all the ladies will be thinking like that, but, so their part of the venue is there. So in the meantime, we'll have the drive, and as soon as we come back, we'll be reorganized inside. Okay, so another 10-15 minutes, we're just waiting for a few more people to come. And as soon as that happens, we'll be having the drive, and then we'll be reorganized in there. Okay, so please wait, people. Thank you.
Started collecting the two-wheelers and four-wheelers. I have close to 47 two-wheelers and 3 cars, out of which only one is a vintage car. And among the bikes, the oldest is a 1932 DKW, 98cc with a hand gear. Total weight of the bike is only 49 kilos and does almost a speed of 65 kilometers speed. And this bike used to be used while jumping from the aircraft. They used to put a parachute and then jump along with this bike, then ride it in the deserts and things like that. So the next bike is a 1941 Russian bike. It's called IZ49. It is a 350 single cylinder and a 4-speed gearbox. This I picked it up in Dehradun and subsequently restored her. The other bikes are all classic. And thanks Race Club and Automobile Club for giving me this opportunity to be a part of their team. And I have always been supporting them, and I would like to continue doing the same way. Thank you all. Thank you for your participation. Thank you.
Before we let CV sir go, we have a small appreciation, sir, because you have brought the oldest car. So we have a memorabilia and a certificate for you, sir. May I ask Dr. Zach to present the certificate to CV sir? And we have a small monument for the oldest car in the group. Zach. Now the person who was standing next to me is Mr. Zach, and Mr. Zach has many world records, and one of the world records I think is for the world's longest chopper. You guys might have seen a bike which is as long as the Condesses that were here today, and that is his bike. And he also has this beautifully done Skoda Octavia, no? Yeah. So, we'll just ask Zach to introduce himself. That's all you have to do.
Hi everyone, good evening. It's been pleasure and honor to be over here. I've been for several modification custom cars and some other rallies and all, but being in vintage event and all, it's something like beautiful with the families, the kids, wife, husband, everybody. You can come together over here. So I've did this world's longest chopper bike. I got around 16 world records. First Kannadiga to have 16 world records. I'm proud to be a Kannadiga. I'm proud to be an Indian. It's all your blessings, friends, love, who always been supported me. Yeah, a few friends who have been knowing who discourages us. They are the main motivation to us to encourage in other ways. So first encourage those friends and thank them in your thank you. Thank you so much.
I will ask Mr. Praveen to present the certificate to Mr. Zach. Now Mr. Praveen also has a wonderful collection of bikes and cars, so we'll ask him also to say a few words. Sorry, my mistake, Mr. Pradeep.
Yeah, my name and 180 two-wheelers. I have reduced all my cars, but still I have about 70 cars in the farm. I have recently bought a Shelby Cobra from Nevada, so it's under restoration. Other things I have all vintage cars, lots of them. Passion is there, but getting old, so I'm trying to clear off. Already cleared 70 cars. So anybody wants help, I can help. Member of KVCC, member of AAA, and I know the in and out of all bikes, cars, everything. A lot of so, but nothing there. Other people here want to come. Mike. If they want any help, Venkatadri is there. A very knowledgeable person. Anything you want for help in any way, I can help you out. I stay in Janaga 4th block. You can see it on the road now. I have cleared all the road. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.
Now can I ask Mr. Thomas to come, please?
Come sir. Yeah. No, it's okay.
Mr. Thomas is the owner of Automag in Horamavu, and he specializes in customization, and he's also a lover of very old cars, and sometimes he makes an old car look like a newer car. Pardon the fun about that, but it's a great privilege for us to have him also on the group as an advisor for us, and he's brought something very special which is under the wraps. I think many of you might have already had a sneak peek at it. And in just a few moments we'll have Mr. Zach and CV sir pull the cover off, and we'll see the mystery vehicle underneath. I'll just ask Mr. Thomas, who we lovingly call Timmy sir, no? So you can call him Timmy, he doesn't mind. And we'll ask him also to say a few words.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Club, for this opportunity. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes. When I was second standard, I used to play bricks. Play with the bricks, like pushing the car. Because way back in 70s, hardly we see cars on the road. And that was one time I thought, I'm going to build a car one day. And today the club has honored me to present my car. This is a thought what I had when I was second standard. And this is basically a Contessa. I've seen a lot of modification, look like Mustang, but I wanted to had a desire that I should do it closest to Mustang. And that was my desire. I took 4 years to do it. And every time my engineer, sir was saying, discouraging people, That was the one strong motivation was there. When they said they can't, I said, okay, let me try. Try is the first step for my failure. And if I don't try, I don't fail. So I failed all the time, every piece in the car. And I had a fantastic engineer, friend of mine, whose name is Sandeep. He is not here, he is in Assam now. And every time he comes and says 50 fault, the whole side is a faulty, the engineering line is not right. So again, my entire manpower or whatever I done for that 15 days, 20 days, 30 days, I paid the labor and everything waste. Again I restart. And that is the car what I brought today, best of my ability. And I especially thank my team, my paint team, my mechanical team. We had a lot of sleepless night. And the best part is, my wife don't know that I'm pumping this much of money on the car. She would have chased me out. So it was on the sideline. I said I'm doing it for a client. Oh, okay. So the money.
His wife is the same, sir.
And today I disclosed in the morning when I brought the car down from the truck, and she was shocked. That is the one thing what I have. It's all about living, it's not about money. And we are just living on the edge. I encourage, because life is what I thought, it is not life, what I have in my hand. And I really thank this opportunity, especially this club, who gave me this opportunity for me to share my thought process. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, as the saying goes, the privilege is all ours, sir.
Timothy, sir.
Thomas, sir, please. Haidar will present you with a small certificate from us. Now you can just move to the side a little bit. We'll ask Zach and CV sir to pull the cover. I think maybe everybody can do a 5 countdown. We'll say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we'll come to cover off. Okay, everybody? Can we start? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! Just a minute, Cheer up, guys! For the oldest.
This award is given for the oldest scooter that has participated in today's event. The owner's name is Sharat sir. Oldest scooter, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sharat Esnabul. I have a 1959 Vespa, which I restored 12 years back. The thing what I found in this was, I just had a chassis, engine and RC book, and the rest I had to source it from all over. Then that's about, you can see the vehicle now. It's been restored 12 years back. Thank you.
Sir, I would like you to speak something about your clock collection.
Thank you. And I collect wristwatches too, and I have close to 2,000 wristwatches. Thank you.